unbelievable. I just want to thank for like and share and click notification bell to the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Mario at Luzano. And ang aking is strawberry. Strawberry pero yung ko, to. And this is my idea. This is my idea tomorrow with the bowl and all the things I like them because I don't have things, but I used to believe you will come to my channel from the Florida. Okay, let's go. I wasn't important to see you, baby. Mom, I don't like to say you told you. Your daddy told me I have to surprise you in your room and dapat kasi tabi naman kayo ni Baby Zaya. Ni Baby Zaya mo, kapatid mo. I was with the engine with my family at ever after. Oh, it's ringing. Hello, Mom. Nice to see you. Punta muna kami ng mall, Ma. Baka gusto niyo kaming samahan. No, I don't like Grandma saying to me and kugus to me. I don't care. Punto na lang ako sa kwarto ko. I want to know. I don't like my grandma and my Lola. I don't like Jazzy. Big deal. I just want to. Baby. Hello, Mom. Yes, Mom. I want to buy many clothes. Guys, nakakainis na si Ola. Why do you sig me? Tell me the truth, why do you sig me? I don't care, Mom. Please, give me I don't leave you. I will call Grandma and said him I don't like him. You follow my directions. Go to your mother and daughter. Doon ka titira nila Lola. It's okay. Please calm down. Labas ako. Please. Sorry. Dun ka titira. I'm very sorry. Mommy, no, mommy. Mommy, no, mommy, please, no. Mommy, no, I don't like go. walang wala. Please. Mommy, please. Okay. Sasabihin ko si Lola. Just go to the mall. Let her buy all the dress you like. Here. Let's go. I want to go to the mall. KCC Mall. Okay, look. I just want to tell you, baby. Oh, sorry. I'm just delete. I just want to eat the noodles. Let's open the door. Oh, sorry. Mr. Laxis, please with red. Door with doorbell. Let's go. He told me this is what I was saying. Yeah, I want to live house in the beautiful house in my life. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't. Sorry. I just want to believe I want to go to the mall. So, bumili na siya ng gas. Punta pa rin dito tayo sa isang store. Baka makabili pa tayo ng mga ibang dress doon. And this is the dressy. Saan nga ako nakakita yung dress na white? Let's go. Ayun kay class. Wait, ko lang to. See you for part 2 guys. Kasi hindi na matagal.